Hello and welcome everyone. Sharing my screen. Okay, so today we'll be doing. Okay, let me set my camera. Okay, so today we'll be doing these kind of effects, cool effects like you see the lighting effect is there. Then there is a text rotator kind of effect. Everything we'll be doing like this. Okay, this is a very cool effect. Okay, let's start. Let me close everything and start again. Okay. Okay, let's start with the animated button. There is a floating text, lighting text, rotating rotor effect, text rotator, text rotator. I showed you just now. Floating text, animated button, button second hover effect. And okay, let's do the button second hover effect, or maybe you can do the rotating button second hover effect will be good. Okay, so let's start from scratch. Okay. So let's remove everything. Okay, let it be there. This okay, let me do from scratch. Okay, so let me exclamation. So this is what button shake effect. Okay, now so for that I'll be having a button. Okay, so I'll just write here over me, right? And when I hover over the button, so many things would happen, right? Let's add the style.css also here. And the style.css has a lot of things. So let me remove the default styles and everything. Okay, so everything I've removed. Let me save this. Let me save this. And I'll just stop the live server and I'll start like this. Right click and start in live server. Okay. So a new instance of live server will start. Let me close everything else. Okay. So will be when I'm hovering over the button, then I have to show some animation. Okay, that is the plan, right? So let's go to the style.css file. Okay. Let's bring everything to the center. Center, and there is a height of 100 VH. Okay, so everything came to the center, not the button. So to the button, let's add some padding. Okay. So okay, I don't want the background color over here. I'll just give the background color over to this guy. Okay. And color text is nice. So I'll just remove the border, or maybe we'll just give a different border. Okay. Pixel. Not looking good. Let's give okay. Super. So it's look like transparent. Now, what you can give is text transform is uppercase. Okay. Font size is 18 pixel. Let's give larger font size. Nice. Great. Okay. Now what I'll do is that whenever I just want to animate like if I hover so one animation will do where it will be rotating and shaking. Okay. So let's create the animation, then I'll tell you. So keyframes, I'll just write here shake. So what I want to do is that initially at 0%, the transform rotate initially will be 20 degree. Okay. Then 100%. Finally, the transform rotate should be minus 20 degree. Okay. And let's add the animation over here. Animation is sec, right? Sec. Now if you say over here, okay, animation duration is not given. Animation duration is 2 seconds. Animation timing function is and animation iteration count is infinite. Okay, you see it will be okay. So it will be happening like this. You can give it linear. Okay, so it is just kind of stopping in between. So we'll just give a transform of rotate of 0 degree. Okay, in middle. So what will happen is it will come 0 degree and it will go. This is a very good animation that we have done right now, right? For the hovering of the button. Okay, so basically what is happening? Initially it will be 20 degree, then at 50% it will be 0 degree, then 100% will be minus 20 degree, right? So we can make these 20 degree to so we can have one more if you want, like we can have at 75% we can have a transform of rotate minus 20 degree, and this can be again 0 degree. So it comes to the center and goes away. Okay. Okay, now you can see that it is coming and smoothly it is doing it. And we can do a lot of stuff also over here. Like we can just write animation duration, animation fill mode will be alternate. Not fill mode. Animation delay fill mode direction. Okay. Direction can be alternate. Okay, so in both direction will happen. Now if you see here, what will happen is so it is turning on both sides, right? This alternate. So in that case, we don't need the or 50% and 100%. Let me comment over here and I'll just write here 20 degree to minus 20 degree. Okay. So from 20 degree to minus 20 degree and alternate and it is infinite, right? So for in hey, hi Aliva. Can you hear me? Yes? No? Okay. So from 0% to 100%, 20 degree to minus 20 degrees what we are doing right now. Okay. Okay. So then next animation will be something like this. Okay, let's do the next. This is a very cool animation we did right now, right? Okay, so next will be okay, we did the button second hover effect. Then we'll do the animated button. Okay, let's do the animated button because this is a button only. Let's do the animated button. So for that, I have to remove these keyframes and I have to do something else, right? So let's remove these guys. Okay. So now what we'll do is okay, let's save this. Okay. Now what we'll do is that we will have something different. So we'll just have something like this. So this is a button. So before, what I am to do is little bit of okay. Before this, we write content, right? Content. Always write content. If you not use content, it will not work. Okay. Let me do a transform. Skew of 30 degree. And then height is 100%. And width is 120 pixel. Okay. So to give this guy the position as relative, then only it will work. Okay. So now what I've added? So I've added a after before pseudo element. I've given no content, top 0, left 0, everything I've given. Wait. Left. Let's give here. Okay. Okay. Let's see how it looks first. Okay, it is looking in this manner. Skew it should be -30. Okay. Um. Let's not give too much weight. 50 pixel is good. 60 pixel. Very good. Right. Okay. Um. Okay. So what I want is now we'll do the animation part. So whenever I'm hovering over it, so let's do the animation part. So let this guy will come this side, right? Okay. So let's take the animation name. Let me move. I'll just write here. So if I just write 0%, if I just write it 0%, then left is so initially, so I'll make the left as 0. Okay, initially, and then finally for 100%, the left should be 100%. So let's see how it works right now. But this should be for the animation, not for the button, but for the before element. Okay, and this is the move. Very good, very good. Okay, but it is covering the letter. So what I'll do is that I'll just render in plus or -1. Oh, it is going inside. So the reason this is happening is because I've used a button. So it went inside the button, right? So instead of button, we should use a link. Then it will work nicely. Okay, then there is one thing to give. Text decorations to be none. Okay, rest everything will be okay. Where it went. And here I have to give a. Okay, so let's say this guy. Superb. This is nice. But the overflow is happening, right? So the overflow to remove. Overflow is hidden. Okay, very good. So this animation has happened, but when it is hovering, when I'm hovering over it, whenever I'm hovering over this particular link, then this orange color should occupy the entire, right? So in that case, what I will do is, so when I'm hovering over this link, After, right? After or before? Before. So what I want is content should be empty only. But I want the width to be 100%. Okay. So initially width is 60 pixel, but the width should be 100% is what I'm telling. But it is not working because animation should be none. Animation should be none. And this Q should go away. Okay. So transform Q should be 0 degree. Okay. So it should be 50%. It should be entire, but it is not working. I don't know why it is not working. It should work. Animation is none. Okay. Transform skew is 0 degree. So the skew has gone. But why it is not taking width 100%? So with 60 pixel I have done. Height as 100% is already there. Okay. Left I've given, right? Left 100% I've given. So that is not working. So I'll just write here left as 0. So like this, the animation will happen, but when I'm hovering over it, it should take the entire space. This is a very cool animation. Okay, nice. So next, what I'll do? Let's see what is left. This I've said already. Animation button second. Okay, lighting. This lighting part. Let's do the lighting part. Okay, but for the lighting part, this will change. This is a very good cool animation. This lighting one UL. Let's do an UL. Let's write an LI. This is L, right? So Alt Shift 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So LI G H P I N G. Okay, lighting. So let's say, okay. So now what will happen is we have to animate this guy, right? So what I will do is we have to remove everything. So let's remove everything from below, from here to below. Okay. So here what I will do is, okay, so this UL is there. List style is not. This reflects gap of 5 pixel. Okay. Let's go to the list. This list, what we'll do, why I'll do like this. Okay. There is no link, right? So, okay. I can set font size 30 pixel each, 60 pixel. Larger one. Font weight 800. Okay. Text transform is uppercase. Great. Yeah, this is looking good right now. So right now what I want to do is that to do the animation part, right? Okay. So add keyframes lighting, right? So this keyframes lighting, what it will do is it will give a box shadow. Okay. So 0%. So how to light a particular element, how to write a particular text by using box shadow. Okay. So box shadow. So horizontally 0, vertically 0, blur effect 7 pixel, and maybe orange. Okay. And when it is 100%, just made some mistake. Okay. This should be 7 pixels orange. I'll give one more. So 0, 0, 50 pixel. Okay. I'll just give red. Initially, it won't be anything. It will be white only, nothing. So finally will be this color, initially this, right? Okay, so let's add the animation. So animation will be moving, the lighting. Okay, and animation duration 5 seconds. Okay, and animation timing function is linear. Animation. Okay. So now what is happening is it in 5 seconds it is happening, but I don't want to happen like this, right? So I want to happen one after the other. So in that case, what to give that the delay we have to maintain for each element separately, right? I'll just write UL alive and child for the first item. Animation delay initially will be 0 seconds. For all other items vary. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7. When I say over here, you see. The animation should not happen. So what is happening right now is, so because 5 seconds are there, that's the reason the delay is, okay. So what we'll do is, so 0 till this is 1 second, right? So let's do this in 1 second. 1.2 seconds. So now we'll see. Let's open. This blur effect is giving good result, right? Okay, nice. Okay, there is still time. So I just want to show you one more animation. Okay. So the rotating effect of, but that is a very simple one, like text rotation. So I think that will be a task. So you take I love, then CSS, HTML, JavaScript like this. So let's do it. Why to waste time? Okay, so let's do that. So what I'm trying to say is, let's have something like this. So H1 I'll just do I love. Okay, let's say over here. So now what I want is, let's remove everything. Time is less. I don't know whether I can complete, but let's do it fast. So here what we'll do is, this H1 is there. Okay, so let's do some styling for the H1 first. Font size 50 pixel. Okay. Now what I'm saying is, this H1 is there, and I'll add a pseudo element to this. I'll just create position as absolute. But for that content should be empty initially. Okay. What happened? Top 0 pixel, left 0, background color orange, and color will be like black. Okay. Okay. So here I have to do position as relative, so that let's see whether it's open. Right now the text is not there. So if I just write it CSS, it should be visible. It is visible, but the left should be 100%. Let's office width. So it just have next to it. So let's leave margin left 16 pixel. Nice. So what I'm trying to say is, so let's add the animation now. So every time, okay, so this will be text rotation. So initially the content is what? CSS, right? So every time the content should vary is what my target is. So 25%. And 100% the content is React. Okay. So let's give a text transform of uppercase. Okay. So if I save over here, I'm not added the animation. Let me add the animation as oh, I didn't test rotate. Okay. Animation duration 2 seconds. Animation timing function is linear, and animation iteration count is infinite. Okay, so let's say, so you see it is changing very fast. It is changing. Okay, we don't want that. How much I've given 2 seconds? So let's give 5 seconds. Very good. Okay, so this is good, but I want to rotate it also. Let's rotate. Not like this. So transform. Where this meeting will end in time. Okay. I'm just trying to figure out. If you're not subscribed to my channel, YouTube channel, please subscribe it. And you can join maybe 360 degree. Let's see. Let's see how it looks. Very good, very good, very good. Nice. Very good. This is 0 degree, then 360 degree, JavaScript HTML. Okay, guys, this meeting will end right now. But yeah, we covered 4 animations today. Very good. I mean, just practice this and it will help.